Hello guys! Hello po. I don't know how to do intro yet. So, get ready with me because aalis ako kahit medyo madilim sa labas. Sana hindi umulan. It's rainy season pa naman kasi it's July 22. And yesterday was Father's Day. So, I don't know if may tatay na dito. Happy Father's Day po. Bless po, bless. Bless, bless. Anyway, so yun nga, I'm getting ready para umalis. Other people would say, alam namin nga alis ka kasi hindi ka naman naliligo kung hindi ka alis. That hurts, but it's kinda true. Nakakatamad kasi maligo, guys. But I rarely do that naman. Kasi parang I realize that hygiene is really important. Kasi like, sometimes I get like irritations on my skin, causing so much redness, and I realized, bakit it's because of hygiene, like, I should really take care of my skin, because I love myself, and I think we all should love ourselves. Sabi nga nila, you should love yourself first, before you can love anyone.
What? Bro, what are you talking about?
So, this is a really good exfoliating lip scrub. I don't use this every day kasi sabi nila hindi daw pala everyday ginagamit ang lip scrub kasi nga it's a scrub. So, I do it when I exfoliate my skin. Sinasabay ko siya. But today I didn't. Bukas na lang. So, nauna lang talaga to. Because I'm going out. Para prep lang din yung lips ko before I apply my, what do you call that? Like a lip
gloss.
So, two-finger method. I use this sunscreen for years now. Kasi parang natatakot ako mag-take ng risk sa ibang sunscreen. Like this one's tested ko. Like this one, I know it works for me. Like, I don't know how you pick like a good sunscreen, a good product for yourself. Though most of the time, like, you'd get recommendations from your dermatologist naman, but I don't go to dermatologists. I don't have that money for dermas and stuff like that. So I just, I just Google, like, hey, I have this blah 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 skin type. I have this issue with my skin. What do I do? What can I use? Anyway, this one's a really good sunscreen. And this is what I do para ma-prep lang yung screen ko, lalo na if I am going to use makeup. So, masasaksihan nyo yung God, Master, Connoisseur, Connoisseur, pagkain. The God of no makeup look, just clean boy look, because I mastered that already.
What do you want, a fucking medal?
Promise guys, mamamangha kayo. Mamamangha kayo.
Thank you.
So, I already prepped my skin. So, here's my makeup bag. Here's everything that I use. Here's everything that I have yet. So, please, if you want to sponsor me with some makeup, I'd love that. I'm going to use this Squad Concealer. I've been using this kasi ito lang naman yung concealer ko. What else would I use, right? With a brush, like this fluffy round brush. Ginagawa ko, lalagay ko siya dito. But really konti lang. Sobrang konti lang talaga muna. And then, I just lightly dab. Dab ba yung tawag dun? Tap? Basta pat. Ayun, pat na lang. I lightly tap here. Parang ikakalat ko muna siyang ganyan. And then I blend. Sabi nila, pat lang daw dapat. Look at the shade match. Just kidding. I don't know if that's my shade. Anyway, light para lang makover yung under eyes ko. Kasi lately I've been sleeping late at night. Kaya nagkaka-eye bags ako. Sobrang lala na po ng eye bags ko. Kasi sobrang lala na rin po ng sleeping schedule ko kung kailan nagbakasyon. Actually guys, katatapos lang ng second sem of my third year. I survived. Yeah. Katatapos lang ng third year college. And I did it. I'm here. I survived. Barely. Sabi ko talaga, after these sleepless nights, aayusin ko yung sleeping schedule ko para din sa skin ko. Kasi, syempre, diba, you need good sleep para sa skin mo. Tapos, ayun, wait. Kung kailan bakasyon, tsaka ko naman sinisavor yung moment. Kasi may mid-year ako. And mid-year is like summer class. I don't know if that's just the same thing, yung summer class tsaka yung mid-year. Basta like, mid-year is an extension of a semester. Or like another semester of the year. Basta ganon. Para lang sa ibang subjects. Look at that, guys. I use concealer to brighten up my skin. And makikita niyo talaga like, but may konti pa dito, so ubusin lang natin siya. I don't know where to put it. Maybe again here, some here and here. Tapos ito, ubusin ko siya dito. Para somehow, ay mag-blend, ay mag-match. Somehow, kasi, wala siya. Talaga talaga. And then, ubusin ko yung product. And then, blend it again. Just pat. Just pat it. Can you see it already, guys? Hindi ako nagko-concealer dito sa dito sa my mustache area kasi nagda-dry siya. And even though I use so much moisturizer, tapos hindi naman sobrang drying yung concealer ko, nagda-dry pa rin siya. Like, it's obvious that there's hair. So, inisip ko, I really wanna get lasered. No, like, not Star Wars lasered. Just like, like one of those whatever. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag doon. Basta yung nagle-laser para mawala yung mga ganito, mga hair. I don't have money for that. So, we're not gonna, not soon, but, not so soon, but soon. Ano ba? Okay. Next, apply na tayo agad na blush. And this is the brush I use for my blush. Like, slightly angled siya para I can blend it. And usually dati, lalagyan ako ng blush dito. Yan, pataas. Tinright ko ngayon, dito ko lang siya nilalagay. Look, wait lang. Dito ko lang din siya ulit ilalagay. Kunti lang. Tapos, kuha lang ng product. Konti-konti lang muna. Ayan. Like, ganyan lang talaga. Kasi, it looks more natural now. It looks more fresh. But I swear, mas fresh lang siya. Fresh look, clean boy, makeup look. Ano daw? Daming sinasabi. Tapos yung blush, ginagawa ko rin siyang contour dito para lang magkaroon ng warmth. Kasi naglagay tayo ng concealer para may warmth lang dun sa, nagmumukha siyang red, pero i-blend pa natin siya like that. Kapag kulang pa, dito lang ako kumukuha sa takip para madagdagan siya. Like that. Tapos, blend lang natin siya ng maayos. Dito lang tayo. Tapos, kapag parang feeling nyo wala nang masyadong product dito sa brush, pwede nyo na siyang itaas dito. Para lang medyo mag-blend siya talaga sa skin. Ganyan. Pero dito pa rin yung focus niya. Then, what I do after concealer, powder. I use this powder. It's a compact powder from BYS naman. By the way, yung blush ko kanina, it's from Vice Cosmetics. Recommendation lang siya ng classmate ko nung second year. And then, nagtagal siya ng ganun kasi hindi ako masyado nag-makeup. And then, I use this really big brush. Parang pangit na ng brush ko. Basta maganda to, guys. Kasi big siya. Tapos, Yan. Just pat it. Dito ko itatap. Itatap ko siya dyan para mawala yung excess. And then, sabi dito lang daw sa nag-oil up. Up. Parang sinaset ko na lang din yung makeup ko. Like that. Don't forget yung T-zone, guys. Kasi wala usually nag-oil up. Sa chin. Sheer coverage lang tong BYS na ano ko, na compact powder. Kaya parang it's buildable. Buildable ba yung tawag doon? Kasi sheer siya, di ba? Kasi pag sheer, parang super light lang muna. And then binibuild up mo siya. Build up. Nilagyan ko rin yung neck ko ng powder. Usually, hindi ko talaga gusto naglalagay ng powder sa neck. Kasi, nagmamansya siya, lalo na kapag naka-polo shirt, kaganon. Nagbamark siya, pero, ano naman, hindi naman ako magpa-polo, nagti-t-shirt lang naman ako. So, I guess, it's okay. Ay, wait, I forgot, I should do like some really light eye shadows para it looks more alive. So I use this Pretty Secret na palette. Like I bought this like 2 years ago na ata. Kung alam ko expired na to. Lalagyan lang ako ng super like skin shade ba to? Basta like light na powder.
Ay, nakatulog?
Talagyan ko ng kahit alin dito sa dalawa, but for today I feel more like this bright pink para fresh lang dito lang sa taas. Tinuro lang to sa akin nung kaduan ko dati na na magaling mag-makeup. Hello po Kuya Bri, how are you? Kumusta ka na? I miss you. Kasama ko din siya dati sa cheer squad kasi siya yung nagpasok sa akin. I miss you Kuya Bri. Isaset na lang natin siya ng setting spray. I have this fixing spray by JMCY. Kala mo talaga sponsored, lahat binanggit. Parang pawis na ako. And then, nag-stop yung video kasi na full storage yung iPad ko. But, nakalimutan ko pala maglagay ng lip. Squad call din to. Pinipindot lang siya. Ito guys, yun niya. Ito ginagamit ko, tas wait nga lang. Yung ginagamit ko, tapos sabi ng kapatid ko, parang wala lang. Sobrang natural, ay pindot ko. Sobrang natural lang niya, guys. Diba? Ang ganda. So this is my no makeup look.
No makeup, but like it.
Really just a fresh makeup. So wait lang. I'm just gonna do my hair real quick, guys. And like, isa-straight ko lang siya. But I think it's too wet pa eh. I don't know guys if you can tell that ito less volume na siya. The reason why I wanted straight kasi ang kapal talaga ng buhok ko. So, nagpa-puff siya na ganito. Tapos straight lang. Tignan nyo. Mawawala yan. Diba? It's less puffy na. So, supply na lang natin. Ayoko na. Kapagod mag-straight ng hair. But, this is what I'm gonna wear on top of this sando. Transition lang, transition. Alis na ako. So, I'll see you guys. Bakit? But I'll see you. Hindi ko man kayo makikita. So, kayo lang makikita nyo ako. So, you'll see me guys in 3, 2, 1, outside, go. Gusto ko lang din pala ipakita sa inyo yung makeup ko sa natural lighting lang. Like, you guys have to see my cute shorts. Alam niyo, isa sa dream ko guys, sabi ko, I wanna see my hometown change drastically. And what I mean by that is, I live somewhere else na. Like, babalik ako dito after a few years, tapos di ko na siya mara-recognize kasi It's so different. Kasi, I've outgrown this place. Hindi ko na isasama sa video yung biyahe ko kasi baka mairita lang ako sa inyo sa sobrang init.
I'm on my way.
But we'll jump straight to... Ayan na! I'm just waiting for my cousin, Tam. Napabila ako sa Watsons ng mga kung ano-ano. Okay lang. Katatapos ko lang kumain sa Turks kasi nagutom na talaga ako. And then, hey guys! Tell them who you are.
No.
And I'll tell you who my friends are. Guys, grabe ang bigat talaga ng part na to. Sobrang bigat. Lagyan natin.
Freeze that. Kuha ko ng kuha. Kuha ko ng kuha na
Mamaya ma-short tayo dun. Wala akong dalang pera sa Watsons na.
Titi.
GGH, guys. Luto na po ako. Sabi niya, magluluto daw kami. So, yun na.
I love you. Came out when you got the hood on you. Hey, what's up? I can say I don't say I don't got in the streets tonight. Yes, they won't be wild.
So this is what my makeup looks like after a whole day. Looks oily na. But fresh pa rin.
I don't want to waste no time.
What a way to end the video like this. Kasi hilamos na ako, tutulog na ako, sobrang antok na ako, ito na yung mata ko. Ang pula niya. Just tired. Happy Father's Day. And have a nice life. Keep smiling. Bye-bye. Behind the scenes.